Like the video and subscribe to our channel right now and get 1 week of amazing luck. Only 10% of the planet's species, according to scientists, have been fully described. It is believed by scientists that we have only discovered 80% of the species among mammals, the most well-known category of creatures. 146 new species were identified by scientists at the California Academy of Sciences last year, including 30 ants, 14 sea slugs, and 44 lizards. It appears that you still have a lot more species to find. In this episode, we've listed only 10 people who have discovered the most interesting animal species in recent times. Number 10. Kelly Swing. A renowned ecologist is praised for his groundbreaking discoveries, especially the discovery of the blue-legged Borupus tarantula, Borupus cimaroxygorum. Early in the 21st century, Swing made his significant discovery while traveling through the humid, green regions of Southeast Asia. A stunning sight in the spider world, the Borupus cimaroxygorum has bright blue legs and a contrasting earth-toned body. Its elusiveness, it lives much of its life hidden in deep burrows, makes it even more fascinating. Number 9. John Sullivan. A renowned ichthyologist has found Paramore myrops kingsley AE, which has led to significant progress in understanding the mysterious world of electric fish. This intriguing species was discovered in the late 20th century by Sullivan on an expedition into the dark depths of Africa's Congo River basin. The amazing creature known as the electric fish, Paramore myrops kingsley AE, uses its ability to produce and detect electrical signals for communication and navigation in their dark aquatic environment. This creature's unique sensory system not only exemplifies the wonders of evolution but also amplifies our appreciation for life's astounding adaptability. Number 8. Chris Austin. A highly regarded herpetologist is known for his breakthroughs in the field, notably his discovery of the leaf-tailed gecko, Uroplatus festi. While exploring the biodiversity-rich rainforest of Madagascar, Austin uncovered this elusive species in 2022. The Uroplatus festi is an exquisite spectacle marked by its leaf-shaped tail used for masterful camouflage. Its startlingly effective mimicry of dead leaves offers a captivating insight into nature's strategy for survival. Number 7. Ted Peach. An accomplished ichthyologist has dedicated his professional life to studying marine life, most notably discovering the endangered anglerfish Leschionithus dynama. Peach discovered this hitherto undiscovered species in 2015 while diving into the depths of the Gulf of Mexico. A symbol of life's many forms, the Leschionithus dynama is well known for its angling appendage, a special adaptation for enticing prey in the dark depths of the ocean. This deep-sea inhabitant illustrates how nature can survive in the most hostile conditions with an interesting blend of eeriness and attraction. Number 6. Stephen Richards. After Pediphryn amanuensis was discovered, a reputable herpetologist made history in science. During Richards' 2009 journey across the leaf-strewn rainforest floor of Papua New Guinea, he came across this little wonder. At just 7.7 millimeters, the tiny frog Pediphryn amanuensis holds the record for being the smallest known vertebrate in the world. Not only is this tiny dynamo remarkable because of its size, but also because of its unique life cycle, which completely skips the tadpole stage. Richard's discovery of this tiny marvel highlights the astonishing diversity of life and serves as a reminder that even the tiniest organisms can be home to enormous surprises. Number 5. Nancy Stabach. A dedicated herpetologist has made remarkable strides in the field, notably through her discovery of the fish-scaled gecko, Geckolepis megalepis. Unraveling the mysteries of Madagascar's unique ecosystems, Stabach discovered this extraordinary species in 2017. The Geckolepis megalepis is known for its distinctive large scales which, when threatened, are readily shed to distract predators. An incredible example of natural defense mechanisms. Its ability to rapidly regenerate its scales further adds to its remarkable adaptation skills. Number 4. Christopher Helgen. Professor Christopher M. Helgen was appointed Chief Scientist and Director of the Australian Museum Research Institute in June 2020. He is responsible for the AMRI team of more than 100 staff, including research scientists, collection officers, and more than 130 associates, fellows, and students, who research and explore the natural world. Christopher Helgen, an esteemed mammologist and explorer, has long been a driving force in the world of species discovery, leaving an indelible mark with his most fascinating find, the Olinguito, Basarakia neblina. In 2013, amidst the dense, verdant caves of Ecuador's Andean cloud forest, Helgen uncovered this beguiling creature, marking the first identification of a new carnivorous species in the Western Hemisphere in over 3 decades. The Olinguito, a charming, night-active mammal, combines the allure of a house cat with the vivacity of a teddy bear. Number 3. Robert Voss. Robert Voss is a mammologist, a scientist who studies vertebrate animals that descended from the common ancestor of living placentals, marsupials, and monotremes. Renowned for his scientific contributions to mammalogy, Robert Voss has been instrumental in unearthing lesser-known species, one of which is the intriguing Honduran white bat, Ectophila alba. In the heart of Central America's tropical rainforests, Voss made the extraordinary discovery, introducing the world to a new bat species in the late 20th century. The Honduran white bat, a small creature enveloped in snowy white fur with contrasting yellow-tipped ears and nose, is a true spectacle of nature. They don't make good pets, aside from the tiny size and space required to keep them. Replicating the exact environment for a Honduran white bat to survive in captivity would be close to impossible. Even if you had access to an endless supply of the one fig they eat, failing to match the roosting requirements would likely lead to health problems with the bats. Number 2. Nathan Muchala. Recognized for his outstanding contribution to the knowledge of bat species, a distinguished bat ecologist is best known for discovering the tube-lipped nectar bat, Onora fistulata. Deep within the high-altitude cloudwoods of Ecuador, Muchala's sharp eye saw this unusual species in 2005. The Onora fistulata, which is distinguished by its remarkably long tongue that is over 1.5 times longer than its body length, is an example of nature's extraordinary adaptability because of its unique structure, which makes it easier for it to feed on nectar from long-tubed flowers. Onora fistulata flits from bloom to bloom, spending just half a second dipping its tongue about 7 times into the flower tube for nectar and inadvertently picking up pollen on its snout. The pollen grains get delivered to the next flower visited. Number 1. George Beccolone. George Beccolone is curator of orthopteroid insects at the Natural History Museum in London, England. He is a Fellow of the Linnean Society and the Royal Entomological Society. He is the author of 2 scientific books and many scientific and popular articles about insects. The career of a renowned entomologist has been devoted to the study of fascinating insect species. His enthusiasm resulted in the identification of the Simondo cockroach, or Simondo conciferium, in the isolated Simondo caverns of Equatorial Guinea. This secretive species was discovered in the late 20th century by Beccolone. The Simondo cockroach is a surprising jewel within the ordinary roach species. Because of its easy care and placid temperament, it has become a sought-after pet despite its unsettling surroundings.